Hi, I'm Abby. I'm a systems coach and online business manager who helps small business owners use data driven decision making to get more clients, make more sales, and build a more sustainable business that makes a meaningful impact in their lives. I may be grabbing this kitten every once in a while because she is being a terror today. But anyway, I live in southern Michigan with my husband and my daughter and three fur babies, a dog and two cats. I can usually be found doing things like crocheting, rewatching 2000s sci fi TV shows, and creating spreadsheets for fun. Now, I've been helping people use things like statistics and analytics to answer questions and make decisions for over 10 years. First, as a sociology professor, and now as a data analyst for small business owners. Today, I use my data analyst superpowers to help business owners achieve their dreams of sustainability and flexibility while also getting to build a business that supports me around all of my own life stuff. But it hasn't always been that straightforward. Not that long ago, I had a lot of the same problems that maybe you have. I wanted to do something that would have a meaningful impact on the world. I needed more income to help support my family. And I really wished that there was a way that I could build a business that would work around all of my life circumstances instead of getting derailed by them. But I had no budget and very little time. And I felt completely overwhelmed by the never ending stream of business marketing advice and options, all the rabbit holes, going down all the rabbit holes here, not knowing what would work best for me and my business. So if I rewind a little bit, we go back to September of 2016 when I had my daughter and everything kind of fell apart. I developed severe postpartum depression, anxiety, chronic pain, fatigue, and the next year I was diagnosed with ADHD. It turns out that a big part of what fell apart in those couple of years were all of the coping skills that I had unknowingly developed in order to deal with having a neurodivergent brain. So by the fall of 2017, I was starting to heal some physically, mentally, but I still wasn't able to go back to work. And I really desperately needed to do something for myself. And I had dabbled in web design for years, probably since I was like 12 or 13 years old. So I decided to build myself a blog. And in true ADHD fashion, that blog led me to start my coaching certification, which inspired me to learn everything I possibly could. We're talking like supreme hyper focus here about running an online business, which dropped me into a deep and abiding fascination with the mechanics of building sales funnels. With my background in statistics and data analysis, I was especially interested in the metrics that you could use to measure sales funnels and the very fact that you could measure sales funnels, that you could use numbers to figure out what was working and what wasn't. And by the end of 2019, I found myself taking on what at the time I thought of as side projects, helping other small businesses build out their systems and sales funnels. So I'd pretty much abandoned my wellness coaching and I became an online business manager. And through my work with those first few clients, I discovered that data analysis really was my superpower. By examining a few numbers, I could uncover what was working and what wasn't so that we knew exactly where to focus to have the biggest impact so that we were able to save tons of time, energy, and money. And as I continued to work with clients, I realized that I was onto something really important here. Today, I am absolutely delighted to continue helping business owners like you build sustainable, flexible businesses using data strategies that are simple, straightforward, and easy to learn. And I usually only share this kind of thing with my clients, but next week I'll be opening the doors to my brand new course, Analytics Blueprint. And to kick things off, I'm hosting a brand new free class for you. It's called Data Driven Magic: How to Ditch Guesswork and Skyrocket Sales with Google Analytics. In this class, I'm going to be walking through the same system that I'll be sharing in my course. This is the same one that I have usually only shared with my paid clients. So, if you're curious to learn more about Analytics Blueprint, or you're struggling with how to put data to good use in your business, then this class is for you. Also, if you're like a lot of small business owners and you struggle to identify which of your marketing strategies is really working for you, which ones are really bringing you business, then you definitely need to be at this class. In the meantime, let me know below. Go ahead and introduce yourself and tell me what's your biggest struggle when it comes to using data in your business. I'd love to hear more about where you are so I can be sure to address that in this free class. And now I'm going to wrap this up so that this one will stop clawing at my knees. Until next time, thanks for watching. You want to say goodbye?